Hi, my name is Omar. Welcome to Owen Code channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to add the last part of this product card. At first, we need to have a button container. Into the button container, we need to have two buttons. Their classes will be first button and second button. The first button text will be add to cart and the second button will be add to wish list. Now we are going to install the button container and it will start from the height and the weight. Then we are going to add display flex to it and justify content of a space between. Now we are going to add styles for the button, then we are going to add a hover effect for it. Adding a border node and padding of 15 pixels for the top and the bottom and 20 pixels for the right and the left. Now the turn is for the hover effect. We need to have a transform scale effect. To have a smooth transfer, we need to have a transition into the first button. The stores of first button to the second button. Now I am going to add the navigate part of this card. Because of that, we need to have a navigate container div. Into the navigate container, we need to have 4 divs. These divs text or details, features, shaping, and care instruction. I think our code is a little bit small. We need to add more pixels to it. Now we add styles to the navigation part. Then we need to have a hover effect for the link.
Keeps on rising, feeling on my knees with sense. Why can't live and feel
Now I'm going to customize a little bit or navigate. And that's it. We built a perfect product card just with HTML and CSS. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned. I will publish more videos like this in this channel. Have a good time and good luck.